2025 has arrived with stories that dare to be different. Turkish dramas this year are bolder, deeper, and more emotional than ever. From shattered hearts to secret lives, each series offers something unforgettable. Let's dive into the top 10 new Turkish drama series of 2025, where every moment pulls you in, and every ending leaves you wanting more. Number 10, Karal Kaybeders, If the King Loses. Filled with intense emotions and unexpected twists, this story invites viewers to question how a hunter can become the hunted. In a journey where love turns into poison and power into weakness, discovering what the king stands to lose is only the beginning. Number 9, Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. This drama brings to life a Karol-style epic of two young individuals standing up against oppression. Alina Bose plays Seher, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms her and Ali into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition. They argue the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? This shared ideal brings them together in a fight for love and justice against the Mafia network that casts a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall, like Karol. Number 8, Kuşatma, Old Money. The one who changes the game wins. On one side is Usman, who came from nothing and became very wealthy and successful through bold and decisive moves. On the other side is Nihal, the representative of a family with generational wealth and mastery of diplomacy. This is the story of the battle between old money and new money, a clash of power and intellect, and the falling in love of two strong characters. Number 7, Eşref Rüya, Esref's Dream. Kate Ulusoy portrays Esref, a fearless man who has power, wealth, and everything, yet finds himself captive to a love he cannot name. Meanwhile, Demet Özdemir plays Nisan, a young musician who makes Esref's heart beat again. For the first time since Rüya, their story will touch hearts, bringing back a long-awaited love story to the screen. Orphaned at a young age, Esref was pushed into a world of crime by loneliness. Over the years, he became a dominant figure in that world. For him, orphans are the siblings he has replaced his lost family with. But this family exists in the heart of the criminal underworld. While Esref shoulders the heavy responsibility of leading underground organizations, his search for peace never ends. Then, unexpectedly, Nisan enters his life, sweeping him into an unpredictable whirlwind of love. Number 6, Piyasa, Market. Kanal D's entertainment division has teamed up with Pastel Film to distribute this eagerly awaited new series. With the Turkish title Piyasa, it is set to air on Kanal D. The series boasts a gripping story and features an impressive cast, including Alperen Duaymaz, Hande Erçel, Ilka Kaleli, Kal Bose, and Gulben Ercan. Number 5, Tak Hatrala, Remember. On the verge of marriage, renowned architect Dinesh and popular editor Guns experience a breakup. However, their lives take a transformative turn. On the same evening, they cross paths by chance, and a message on their phones sets them on a journey that will change everything. This new venture leads them to uncover the missing pieces in their relationship and rediscover love. Number 4, Cardlanler, Snowdrops. Hizran and Arif, a devotedly married couple for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their 5 children. Despite boundless love and Arif's unwavering principles that held the family together, their children's selfish choices and betrayals led them to heartbreak and loss. A long-awaited reunion takes a devastating turn when their estranged son Wan's actions result in a tragic accident. Arif suffers a heart attack, and while the family rushes him to the hospital, a car accident occurs where Wana and his wife lose their lives, and Arif falls into a coma. Rejected by her in-laws, Hizran is abandoned in a nursing home, while Chinar and their children are left to fend for themselves. Hizran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hizran and Arif's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation for their struggle to reunite their fractured family. In the face of betrayal and hardship, they strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bonds of family. Number 3, Baska Bir Gun, Another Day. A Turkish remake of the British series Keeping Faith. This series tells the story of Hira, a lawyer who takes a break from her career to care for her children. Her seemingly happy marriage with her husband Sardar takes an unexpected turn when Sardar suddenly disappears. Number 2, Zembili, the Mystic. This series tells the sweet and bitter events experienced by 4 friends, born and raised in a town called Zembili, with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 1, Sakir Pasa LAC, Portrait of a Scandalous Family. This series is based on the true story of the Sakir Pasa family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal, only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Sakir Pasha was a retired commander and history writer living on Buyukda. When his elder son, Sevat, returned from Oxford with an Italian wife, they lived happily together in the family villa. But the Bohemian Sevat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of his wife and lifestyle. Yet Sevat's infatuation grew, and he was unable to resist. Thus began a chain of events that tore the Sakir Pasa family apart. But this was just the beginning of the remarkable journey of the fisherman of Halikarnassus, one of Turkey's most beloved writers. Meanwhile, his glamorous sisters developed into thoroughly modern women and became fixtures of Istanbul's art scene. Fahrenisa became an internationally renowned painter and went on to marry a prince. Aliye was wildly famous as Turkey's first female engraver, but a tragic love affair brought them a life of misery. Later generations brought many more important artists, whose work is known throughout the world. If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.